Welcome to the video. Hi, I'm Sarah, CreativeSarah. If you're new, type add me in the comments. If you haven't become a member yet, type club. And if you're curious about becoming a designer, type team in the comments. Remember, you can shop online at CreativeSarah.com.
Well, hello everybody. Welcome to my fake live again. Today, I'm going to do a cute board and base project with our Valentine Kisses transfer. You're going to love this. The first thing that we're going to have to do is we're going to cut apart our transfer. So you can do this easily by following the cut lines. What I love about our transfer trimmers here that I have is that they are coated with non-stick coating. And so when you're cutting through anything adhesive, you don't have to worry about it. It's not going to gum up those transfers. Okay, now, this is going to be super easy. I will mark the back of all my transfers. Just going to write back on them. These are all different sizes, so I know which piece is going to go where when I'm all said and done. So go ahead and flip those over. I'm going to go ahead and do the Valentine kind of centered up to the top a little bit, towards the top. And the color that we're going to do that is Dune. Okay, and you're like, Dune is not really a Valentine color. No, not by itself. But when we do a project, well, when Sarah does a project, when I do a project, it is definitely a Valentine color because we're going to do a little neutral, also a little pinky. So it'll be cute, I promise. Peel that off. I'm going to go ahead and get that dried right away. Pronto. We're going to get this dried right away. Make sure. And you know that our board and base is one of our really awesome washable, reusable surfaces, and it is a double-sided. So when we stick it in the base, you can go like that, you can go like that. Ours is gonna look like this, but we're not done. That is not dry. So let me finish drying it before I make any more messes. Goodness gracious. Hey, if you're new, go ahead and type add me into the comments. That way I'll get you the link to join my free group for my customers, and it is going to have more ideas, inspiration, and insider information for you. Ooh, you don't want to blow away any of that stuff. So I have to do a fake live today because I'm traveling and I'm not able to get in there and do. All right, so now I'm going to kind of do a little overlapping. You might notice that I'm not even fuzzing. It's because this board is so awesome that you rarely need, unless you think that your transfer is so sticky, you rarely need to fuzz, or you never have to wax it, ever. All right, so I put a little shimmer gold on there, you guys. Shimmer gold. We love shimmer gold. Okay. And I should not have gotten rid of that so quickly. Okay, so we got our Valentine Kisses. I'm going to wash that in a second. And let's dry it. We don't need anything bad happening. Let's get it dried. I kind of put that at an angle going up. Hopefully you guys are having a great week. I know it's cold here in Michigan. But the more days that go by, the quicker we get to spring break, right? Yeah. And we're going to do a smoochy smoo action here. I think this is Peachy Keen, guys. Peachy Keen. We love our Peachy Keen. And I'm going to do that heart in gold, actually. So we're going to do some Peachy Keen lips. Oh yeah, that looks really good. And then I'm going to try to do like a little ombre heart. I'm going to put a little Peachy Keen and then we're going to do a little gold and see how that looks. If I can't get it to look right, I'm going to redo it. Beautiful. Oh, love it. I love it. I love it. So let me move this. We'll get everything cleaned up and we'll do a little embellishing. Okay. Let's set this over here. I'm going to go ahead and get this cleaned up. This is just my board eraser here, and I'm getting all of that chalk paste off of my transfers. This needs a little bit of water. That one sat for a little bit, so it got a little dry. There we go. After I do multiple projects with my water, it gets really gross, and so I end up just washing stuff here and using the water just to kind of rinse my tools and everything like that. All right, so now I'm going to take my disinfectant wipe and clean everything here. We're going to flip these over and clean the back. Easy peasy, you guys. Easy cleanup. All right. And I'm going to set these aside. I'm going to let them dry, and then I'll put their backer sheets back on. Dry my mat real quick. And just about grabbed my glue gun to dry this. That would not have worked well. Make sure those lips are good and dry. My Peachy Keen lips. All right, and we're gonna do, I've got this cute, like layered ribbon. I'm gonna do, it's super cute and it matches perfectly. And there's a little bit of wire in here, so it should help me do what I want to do. Okay, so I just did a double knot, and on that second knot, you pull this way so that your things go out toward, I don't know, whatever direction you want them to go toward. And then we have this fun, kind of like a bow right there. And voila, look how cute. So easy. One piece of ribbon, and you really can see the double, the layer when you're like in person. It's super cute. It matches perfectly, whatever this ribbon is. It's like a burlap with a lacy, like a peachy keen color. Looks awesome. You can set this out for Valentine. You can add it to, oh, you can't see that. You can add it to a tier tray. All of the things you can do with this. You can flip it around when you're done and do something on the back, or you can wash it off and create something completely new when you're done, because this is one of our washable boards. It's also only $7.99. All of the information, all the products that I use today will be in the description where it says shop the look. You can click on that link and see what I used and grab your own so that you can make it at home. All right, you guys have an amazing rest of your day. I will see you live next Monday. And hopefully we'll be good as new, back to normal, 8 p.m. Eastern Time Monday. See you then, guys.